YouTube. It's me again from this angle, upward, downward, whatever it is. Welcome to my channel. Before I get into anything exciting, don't forget to subscribe. This is about tools. This is basically about strong hand tools. This I bought off Strong Hand Tools. Excellent tool. It goes right into the hole over here, as you've probably already seen. I have a small one. I also bought a bigger one, which locks in there. Excellent tool. I got to drill more holes in the bench. I also picked up, I'm pretty sure I remember correctly, this I bought off of Strong Hand Tools. If not, I'll recant it. But it basically is a magnet for when you want to weld the hole up. Very handy. You can make your own, but you know, it's not as cool, I guess. So, where's my volume at? Right here. There we go. I can really hear myself. Alrighty. Now, I also picked up this other magnet. What's it used for? All sorts of shit. So yeah, stronghandtools.com. Do all kinds of fabulous things with it. But anyway, not to talk about the same tools over and over again, I picked up another one. This one. It is a clamping system, 4-in-1. Ooh, wind's blowing up there. Basically, this is, you can read the thing. It says standard pipe, step over, and a spreader. Which is pretty cool. I haven't opened it up yet. I was on Strong Hand Tools Instagram. I was like, yeah, I got those tools. So open it up. My only great tools. My only suggestion to Strong Hand Tools is this. See the little words that you get printed in here? Those are going to wear off, and nobody's going to know who made these tools. But if you look at like this tool here, it has the name stamped right in it, absolutely in it. And I don't know, 100 years later, we know who made it. 100 years later, we're not going to know who the hell made this, because this little cheesy laser etch thing is going to be completely missing. So, yeah, that's just my take on it. But yeah, this is pretty cool. What is this on here? Does this come off? No, I guess not. Oh yeah, you can take it off. An Allen key. That's pretty cool. Say cool, say cool. Oh, it unscrews like that. There we go. Look at that. I wonder if it fits in the hole here. That's cool. Look at that. Fits in the hole of my bench. So I could technically hold a pipe. Very cool. I would say it's like, what, 6-in-1, because if you have one of those benches, you can put it in the bench. See? That one goes on the bench. That one's, yeah, that's cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. So yeah, Strong Hand Tools. I will eventually work my way through your entire catalog, because, you know, I can't afford it all at once. I'm not a professional welder. But, you know what, if you're going to buy tools, you might as well buy good tools instead of shit tools. And my next video, I'm going to show you shit tools. So, because occasionally I buy some shit tools just to take a look at. Plus, I like weird looking locking pliers. But anyway, very good tools. Engineered in the US, manufactured in China. Not everything in China is bad. Not everything. There's a lot of bad things that come out of China, but these seem to be pretty decent. Like certain things, it doesn't matter. But then there's other things that are just like, meh, I don't want to buy from China. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe, like, and all that stuff, and stay tuned. I got more stuff coming. Where's the button here? Damn it. There we go.